Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, known for its top speed of over 300 miles per hour, this hypercar is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Koenigsegg Jesko, with a top speed estimated to exceed 300 miles per hour, the Jesko features a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing over 1,600 horsepower. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This track-focused supercar boasts a naturally aspirated V12 engine delivering 759 horsepower, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Ferrari LaFerrari, a hybrid hypercar from Ferrari. The LaFerrari combines a 6.3-liter V12 engine with electric motors for a total output of around 950 horsepower. McLaren P1, another hybrid hypercar. The P1 features a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 903 horsepower. Porsche 918 Spyder. This plug-in hybrid supercar combines a 4.6-liter V8 engine with 2 electric motors to produce a total of 887 horsepower and achieve impressive performance figures. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Designed in collaboration with Red Bull Racing, the Valkyrie is powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine and features advanced aerodynamics for extreme performance. Pagani Huayra BC. With a Mercedes-AMG-sourced V12 engine, the Huayra BC offers breathtaking performance along with exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail. Rimac C_2, an all-electric hypercar. The C_2 boasts 4 electric motors delivering a combined 1,914 horsepower and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Lamborghini Sian FK37, Lamborghini's first hybrid supercar. The Sian combines a V12 engine with a supercapacitor-based hybrid system, producing a total of 819 horsepower and offering electrifying performance. Mercedes-AMG 1 is a hypercar that brings Formula One technology to the road. It features a hybrid powertrain with a turbocharged V6 engine and 4 electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. With a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour and 350 kilometers per hour, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. The Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series is a high-performance sports car known for its aggressive styling and track-focused capabilities. It is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering around 720 horsepower, enabling it to reach speeds of up to 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers per hour. Its aerodynamics and lightweight construction make it a formidable presence on the track. Mercedes-Maybach S650 Cabriolet. The Mercedes-Maybach S650 Cabriolet is a luxurious and limited edition convertible. It features a handcrafted V12 engine producing 621 horsepower, offering effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. The interior is adorned with exquisite materials and advanced technology, creating a lavish environment for occupants. Mercedes-AMG GT Roadster. The Mercedes-AMG GT Roadster is a convertible sports car that combines top-down driving with exhilarating performance. It is equipped with a twin-turbo V8 engine producing up to 577 horsepower, providing rapid acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Its retractable roof adds to its allure, making it ideal for open-air cruising. Mercedes-AMG S63 Coupe. The Mercedes-AMG S63 Coupe is a luxurious and powerful grand tourer. It features a handcrafted V8 engine with over 600 horsepower, delivering effortless acceleration and a refined ride. Its opulent interior, advanced technology, and striking design make it a standout in the luxury coupe segment. Mercedes-AMG G63. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is an iconic off-road SUV with a high-performance twist. It is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine generating 577 horsepower, providing exceptional off-road capability and impressive on-road performance. Its distinctive boxy design and luxury appointments make it a statement. Mercedes-AMG E63 S Wagon.